Okay guys, so today we're gonna break down last night's GU trade that we took. So this is the 1 hour time frame. Originally was aiming for this fair value gap. I still see it getting filled, but of course you can't be greedy, can't get greedy. Look for that 50%. Close for the rebound. Alright. Now, how I got into that was because DXY gave me SMT down here. Okay, we should move this one right here actually. It's kind of more like it. This long wick right here, that's called news. CC Euro took that trade as well. Again, SMT. Again, G on British pound. SMT. And then, what's this little box, you might ask? It's probably some sort of gap behind. We'll go check shorter, smaller time frames. Oh look, what is this? What do we like to call this? Fair value gap. Boom, bada beam, bada boom. What's this again? At 10 o'clock, long wick, news. 10 a.m. news. And right after, and for 60 pips. Risking, I don't know, pretty open. 26, 25. It's almost like a 1, 2, 3. Not bad.